Hey everyone, I'm Shemanto and welcome to today's session. So this is our ninth session and nobody has joined yet. Let's see anyone can join or not. Anyway, if no one shows up, nothing to worry, we'll just continue. And we from today we have actually changed the session way of we are working. Now I am directly sending the Google Calendar link into the WhatsApp channel. So maybe not everyone has seen those, and I have sent email addresses. I used to be send email. Let's see people see the messages or not. Okay. Mm, Actually, I am trying to uh, change the things in a little bit. Like I am preparing for the IELTS exam, and for that I have I had some idea. Let me share you with it. So actually, I am preparing for the IELTS. Maybe September I will do sit on the exam for in September, and for that I was thinking how about for the IELTS already has some speaking session, and if go through that, if in a speaking session they used to talk about some interest objects like furniture, artwork, exhibition, place, this kind of stuff. So maybe in this session we can also introduce this kind of gameplay, right? So I talked with the chat gpt, and maybe in the warm-up session that helps to talk about how was the day, something interesting happened in this week in his life, or watch a good movies recently, this kind of warm-up talk. And after that we will start the IELTS speaking part. So we will pick 5 to 6 questions from the Cambridge books from the IELTS. So there are couples of book 1 to 18, I guess 1 to 18 or 20 book. So we'll pick every one topic every day, and everyone has to talk about it for 1 or 2 minutes, and we will have follow-up questions. For the speaking part 2, then we will show a cue card. So cue card is actually there is a cue card, and in there they have to say. So I saw this in the book also. There was an example of cue card. Yeah. So this is a topic card, and describe the favorite film. You should say what the title is, what the plot is, what is the setting is, and explain why you like it. So when this cue card comes up, so everyone has to talk about that cue card, and talk about it and answer all the questions and describe what he likes or not. This kind of cue card. And after that cue card there is another part, uh, a discussion based like education. The I will ask this: is university education becoming less important? Should students learn AI in school? Do disagree matter more on the skill, and this kind of stuff, and they have to discuss on this topic. And also we can play agree or disagree, like university degrees are becoming less important, and if someone will say I agree, someone will say I disagree, and they have to explain it to me. And speaking from picture, show on IELTS style images, everyone describe what is happening. I will show a picture, and in that picture he has to describe what is happening, and what happened before, and what happens next. So this kind of activities. So these are all the activities I have picked so far. I thought I should make an app for that, so I will not host that app and web app. I will just screen share it and show to it to other joiners in the session, and I will choose one, and one topic randomly, one topic will show up and they have to talk on it. So I was hoping I had to make this kind of app. uh, I was trying to make it locally. Then I thought maybe I can take the help of AI tools like Clabables and everything, but I thought maybe that it will be too hectic. But I also have some. I have to take participate in exam in 10 days. So I was not sure about I have to, because then if I build this kind of app, then I have to invest that much time on building that, right? So I was not making that. Okay, no one has showed up yet. Let's see anyone shows up or not. Okay, so if no one shows up, let's continue with our life and what is going on my life, because my commitment is I will take a session on, I will participate in my session, and I will talk about my life and everything. And what am I doing right now? So I'm actually preparing for the exam, and yeah, there there are two backlog exam will be held in 10 days. 21st July is the first exam, and differential and integral calculus. I know I know it is a this subject is actually studied in my intermediate by it, but I actually got lost. I don't know what the topics everything is. It is so difficult for me to clear out. So, and another exam is statistic and numerical analysis. So I have start learning the statistic and numerical analysis, but I don't know what what will happen. But I am actually nervous, and I have to finish it as soon as possible. Okay. Maybe no one will show up. Let's see. We can send an email or not to guests, right? If no one shows up, it's okay. We will just look for what we can see. Let's go to YouTube and see is there any something interesting or not. I actually block the I turn off, if I don't know you know this or not, if you turn off the history section, if you turn off this, my history is turned off, then nothing will show up on your news feed. And I also using an extension undistracted, and using that you can block all kind of things. Even I can hide the thumbnails, so I don't get distracted, or because of most of the times I get distracted. It also works on the Facebook and everything, so I use this kind of reels hide to hide all the kind of shorts and story for this extension. And I also use an unlisted this extension to hide everything like message feed. And if you go to my Facebook, you can see you will not, there is only my notification button, right? So nothing is here in the, I also block my feed and everything. So also the short videos, short reels videos, so reels videos option is not available, so I cannot see them. I just can go to my feed. I can see others feed and see everything. Even I turn off the like and comments. You can also turn it on and off. Yeah. So yeah. Yes, you can see. So this actually really helps me to get focused more. My YouTube channel is growing, but I don't think the this kind of subscriber will help me a lot or not, because it's only 182 subscriber. Let's see what happens next. I am also thinking about making a course. I was making a building the Django course, but I am not sure people will watch this kind of YouTube programming related course or not, because p- uh, the world is shifting toward shifting from coding to AI. I don't think the software engineering job or roles that will be stay relevant in few years. At least if you if you are willing to fight with the big companies like Meta, Google, Anthropic, ChatGPT, is OpenAI, and they are investing billions of dollars just to make the AI really good, and so the programmers become irrelevant more and more. I don't think I am a right person that will be able to fight with them in somehow. So I don't think it is a good fight. It is not the fight that web developers will win in the long term. And they can say that we can learn the architectural thing and the higher level things. But yeah, that's good. That's the correct. But you can also see the every web developers thinking in the same way, and there is not that much kind of job available maybe in the higher level position. And if everyone is thinking about that, the competition becomes very much higher. I don't think that actually is worth it to fight. I think not sending the email is a it was a bad idea. I thought it would be an experiment. If I send the link, a direct link to the WhatsApp channel, then it will be good. But I don't think it is working that much. Yeah. What can we talk? What can I talk about? I was searching about what the kind of job that will stay relevant in AI era. What job will stay relevant in AI era? Mm, I'm actually trying to avoid the coding job and everything because I am fed up with to be present in front of a screen. I actually need kind of job that is that doesn't have to I that I don't have to sit on the computer screen all the time. What would be a good choice? So if there's some technical role, there are some management role. This kind of job actually I'm looking for, and I'm trying to do my masters in this kind of subject, but I don't know what subject I should choose.
A new study has come out by Microsoft, which talks about the 40 jobs that are most likely to be taken by AI in the near future, and also 40 jobs that are relatively safe. Now, you might ask me, Varun,
I don't know it is being recorded or not. Yeah. uh, I think should I end this session today because I'm not sure no one if anyone will join or not. Maybe I should end this session. Okay. Let's see how many time has left. I think I should end this session today because no one has had join up. um, I don't think anyone will join either. Where I don't I cannot find the timer actually. Let's see. Maybe it's 20 minutes. It's almost 23 minutes. Yeah. 49. Oh, it is a timer. So 50. So it's been 20 minutes, and I'm actually losing hope after 20 minutes. That's a shame. But what should I do if no one shows up? I was trying to get this going, and I think I should have sent more people. I should have market more. I should have market to more people who want to practice English for 1 hour every day. But I have to also admit I am working on a Bangladesh market. If they had paid for this kind of session, then they would definitely join. But as this is for free, no one will join. Yeah, that's fine. Let's then, if no one shows up, we can do what can we do is that I can record videos. Yeah, I'm actually recording this, but I can also record more videos on different topics, like I am what books I am reading right now. Maybe you can see, maybe it is a mirror. So let me say, so it is a book of Dolil Jar Jomitar by K.M. Tipu Sultan, Muqtadir Hussain, and Khairul Kobir. And they are all, I guess, they are all lawyers. So there is a story, and my father had some issue on a land that he bought almost 20 years ago, and the what is the what is called dolil in English. So dolil in English, dolil for deed, the document, deed or document. So the deed or the documents of the land had some issue. The issue that there is a mistake in some there are some code of the survey and everything. So my when my father went to Amin, and the other I don't know what is the what is the translation of Amin who actually deal with this kind of deed and documents, this kind of stuff. And when they were talking about all the kharij, ROR, porcha, this kind of kata and noksha, this kind of stuff, I was really out of the box. I didn't have any idea what they were talking about, and that actually came to me. I came to realize that I don't in the Gen Z, and we actually don't know about anything about the land acquisition, buying a land, managing it, about the official documentation and documented and everything, the government work so I don't have any idea about it. So I was struggling, what should I do, is there any book? And I luckily I found this book, Dolil Jar Jomitar, and it actually really good book. If you want to learn this kind of stuff, you should definitely buy this book. And the writers actually wrote all the things actually I was looking for, and now I have some idea, somewhat of a idea what my father is working on. And I actually talked with my father, and he actually about the things that and I when he asked some of the terms, and I actually uh, answered them correctly. So it was a really good book. So definitely, if you are a Gen Z and want to know about how to acquire land, how to buy land, how all the deeds of the government deeds and the official works happens in Bangladesh, definitely you should buy it. Okay. And another book that I talked with Raisa and everyone about, the power of personality. I bought this book almost 1.5 year ago, and I didn't finish it because the book was quite quite thin. But recently I finished it, and there is a concept like a personality types. Okay, so there are some personality types of people, and this book actually a deep dive book. This is not a thin book or just talk about some random stuff, or just give you an overview. This is actually a deep dive book. If you are thinking about to know yourself, if you are thinking about to th- choose career, if you are thinking about what career you should choose, and based on your personality, based on your what kind of advantages you have, what kind of strength you have, what is your weakness. So if you want to find them out in Bangla languages, then I definitely suggest this book, Power of Personality by Shafi Shaun. And these are the two books I am reading right now, and I have some other books I have not touched them yet. Maybe in the next sessions I will show them to you guys. Yeah, so I think no one will show up. It's 10:55, and I should have end this meeting. I really think I have to send the emails from now on, and maybe more people will join if I just send them the links. Yeah. What can I do is I can delete these messages. Let's. Oh, uh, actually, you the screen share, you cannot see the screen share. Okay, I will delete them later. Okay. Okay, if no one shows up, I have talked enough of my life. I don't think I have anything to say right now. Okay, I will end this meeting today. Let's see you guys in the next days. Hope uh, anyone will show up and we can discuss in English, practice English. Let's hope. Okay, goodbye everyone.